Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AWS Backup for data protection step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Services menu at the top of the page. In the search bar, type Backup and select Backup from the list of services. You will be directed to the AWS Backup dashboard. If this is your first time using AWS Backup, click on the Create Backup Plan button. You will see multiple options to create your backup plan. Choose the option that best fits your data protection needs. For a basic plan, select Build a new plan. Next, provide a name for your backup plan in the designated field. You can also add an optional description for more context. Proceed by selecting the backup frequency from the schedule options. Choose how often you want your backups to occur. Also, set the retention period for how long you want to keep your backups. You can decide whether to enable Backup Vault encryption. After setting these options, move on to the Resource Assignment section. Here, select the resources you want to include in this backup plan. You can either add specific resources or choose from tags. Next, review all your settings to ensure they meet your requirements. Once confirmed, click on the Create Backup Plan button to finalize. After a few moments, you will see a confirmation that your backup plan has been created successfully. To monitor your backups, return to the AWS Backup dashboard. Here you can view the status of your backups and make adjustments if necessary. Make sure to explore additional features like backup reports and compliance checks. You're now set up to use AWS Backup for your data protection needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.